Did you know that there's an allergy medication that's also used for anxiety, sleep, and even nausea? Sounds like a pharmacy Swiss Army knife, right? That med is called hydroxyzine, and it's way more versatile than most people realize. Hi, I'm pharmacist Stan, passionate about providing educational content on medications to help you make smarter, safer health choices. Today, we're diving into hydroxyzine, a medication you might already have in your cabinet but probably didn't know it could do all of this. So let's break it down. Hydroxyzine, known by brand names like Vistaril and Atarax, is a first-generation antihistamine, and it works by blocking H1 histamine receptors, which make it great for treating allergies and itching. But here's a twist. Unlike newer antihistamines, hydroxyzine can cross blood-brain barrier, so it also affects the central nervous system. That's why the FDA approved for short-term anxiety treatment and even as a pre-operative sedative. Think of it as an antihistamine with bonus calming powers. Aside from its approved uses, which include anxiety, itching, allergic reactions, and sedation, hydroxyzine is often used off-label for things like insomnia, nausea and vomiting, alcohol withdrawal, and even panic attacks. It's especially handy for patients who need symptom relief but can't take benzodiazepines. It's also used in psychiatric setting as a bridge medication while waiting for long-term therapies to kick in. Of course, no medication is without side effects. Because it's sedating, hydroxyzine can cause drowsiness, dizziness, dry mouth, and in older adults, it may lead to confusion and even falls. That's why it's listed in the Beers criteria. It's definitely one to use with caution in seniors, especially those taking multiple medications. Here's a cool pharmacy fun fact. Hydroxyzine pamoate, known as Vistaril, is often preferred for anxiety, while hydroxyzine hydrochloride, known as Atarax, is typically used for itching. Same active ingredient, but different salt form, and therefore slightly different uses. And while it's not a controlled substance, it's sometimes used in place of meds like Xanax to avoid dependence risks, which is a solid option for short-term anxiety relief. So whether you are dealing with hives, pre-exam anxiety, or just trying to get a good night's sleep, hydroxyzine might be your under-the-radar hero. Just make sure it's the right fit for you. Thank you for watching this educational video. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.